Morning everyone, it's actually morning here, and I want to film a video of how I get ready for work, and I want it to be under 10 minutes so that way I can get more sleep. This sleep is so nice. But anyways, yeah, my sister had recommended for me to do a 10-minute makeup challenge for like an out the door sort of makeup look, and I did film it and post it, but I just was really unhappy with how it sounded. Like the quality was just like so I want to do it again today. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. Zoom me a little better. So just like last time, I'm gonna put a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. So first thing I'm gonna go in with is my Colourpop Rose Quartz priming spray. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. This is more of a sheer to medium coverage. It's definitely sheer and you can build it up, but because it is a quicker look, I just like to use more sheer products because they're gonna look good and they're gonna blend out a lot faster. Okay, make sure not to look at my mirror. I'm gonna go over that with my foundation brush just to make sure it's really blended in. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to keep this whole entire tutorial drugstore. Just one swipe under the eye, down my nose, my forehead a little bit, and then any extra places that I want a little more coverage, right there and right there. Chin and eyebrows always take me the longest. Those two things look good, everything else looks good. When you try to pick concealers, I find blend in super easy. So like Maybelline Fit Me or the what is it, Maybelline Age Rewind. Those two I find blend in so fast. Like I would never do this look with my Colourpop concealers. Like I like them a lot in their full coverage, but they just take so much longer to blend. Okay, we're done. Just leave it as it is. Maybe right here a little more. It looks a little crazy now, but it's gonna look better once I put on some bronzer and bronze up the skin. So I'm gonna go with brows. Okay. Because brows take me so long, I'm literally just gonna go in them to the shape that I like, as I normally do, and then I'm just like literally just gonna fill in wherever's needed. Just using gentle little hair-like strokes, and I go in the direction of my hair. I'm actually gonna leave them like that. I feel like they look pretty good. Okay. That took way faster than I thought, and I'm at 5 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry. I'm making it harder by having to look for the things I need. I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal Brow Plumper. Just take it through my brows. I'm gonna go in with my makeup palette that I made myself. It's just basically full of Colourpop and Makeup Geek shadows and a couple mixed contour powders. And we're just gonna go in with those because everything's in one palette, so it makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna go in with the setting powder right here, and I'm just gonna set my face with that. Oh my gosh, I'm at 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes left. Just go in there with a big powder brush. Go over my eyes. I can make sure I get every part of that concealer set. Don't want that to move. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with this matte one right here. Take that along the edge of my forehead. And for eyes, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this one, which is lil'boat by Colourpop. Take that all through my crease. Once I got that laid down, I'm going to go in with a little bit of, oh my gosh, I wish I knew these names, Americano by Makeup Geek. And I'm going to take that just on my outer V of my eye, bring it through the crease just a little bit on the outskirts. Same thing with the other eye. Yeah, we're just going to leave it at that for eyeshadow. So put that away. I'm going to go in with Milani Glowing Highlight. And for the past couple of days, I've lost my highlighting brush, so I've been using a fan brush This is not the way I like to apply highlighter. So tops of the cheekbones. Bridge of your nose with this thing. Over my brows. 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go back in with bronzer because I want some more because my face looks real little ghostly. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani bronzer in golden. I'm really just gonna warm up my face. Not being precise with this at all. We have 1 minute left, so just enough time to do lips. And for lips today, what I want. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade Raisin Immunity. Because matte lips are gonna last you a lot longer. And because my whole face is like very much like matte in the eyes, no shimmer, very neutral colors. I want something that's gonna be a little bit more of a pop of color but still very wearable. These teardrop applicators are always my favorite. Got that on. We have 8 seconds left. And we're done. I had to rush, but I did it. Just fan all that in. How it melts into the face. And yeah. It's definitely a challenge, but I really like how it turned out. It's like simple. I didn't do mascara. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna say give yourself like an extra minute for mascara and you're good to go. I went with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It's my fault for using 2 bronzers. But the first one didn't make me look nice and warm and toasty. And that completes our look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did my best to keep it within 10 minutes, even though mascara got away from me and I had to add on like 1 more minute for that. But yeah, I feel like this is gonna be one of my go-to work looks because honestly, after like you do it a few more times, like I feel like I'll get faster at it because it's just gonna become second nature. And same with any looks that you do. Like once you do them a couple times, you get faster at them because you're gonna know exactly what you're doing. You're not gonna be deciding on the spot what look you're gonna try to do, and it's just gonna become a lot easier. I hope you guys enjoy. I upload every Monday and Thursday. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!